Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: Food security, climate change part of national security. PM. Any country could be secure only when all people believe in its government and on their country. The army alone can't secure a country, Prime Minister Imran Khan said while addressing the inauguration ceremony of Islamabad Security Dialogue. NAB summons Maryam after new money laundering evidence emerged. The National Accountability Bureau has once again summoned PML and Vice President Maryam Nawaz for questioning in the Chaudhry Sugar Mills case. Rawalpindi doctors successfully separate conjoined twins. The doctor at a hospital successfully separated conjoined twins in lengthy surgery. Oman to implement 5% VAT from next month. Oman will start implementing the value-added tax. On April 16th, it was confirmed by Oman News Agency. Rupee gains almost 1 rupee against dollar in a day, hits over 1-year high. The Pakistani rupee hit over a 1-year high against the United States dollar in the interbank currency market. Sindh reports 384 COVID cases, 1 death in 24 hours. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.